myself Gopal. Today I have come the new chapter, the new part, whose name is sentence and the types of sentence. As you all know that in previous class we go through about a sentence. What is sentence? A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. And how sentence starts, how sentence we have taught it in our previous classes. Just like sentence starts with a capital letter and it's in with a full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark according to their its use. So today we are going to learn about the types of sentences. As you all know that sentence has 4 types. First of all, assertive sentence, then imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So today we will learn about, first of all, what is assertive sentence. As you all know that this is assertive sentence. The sentence which asserts or states something is called an assertive sentence. Suppose that if I say that I play cricket, this sentence is expressing something, stating something, or asserting something. And if I say that I do not play cricket, this is also expressing something. This sentence shows the positive meaning and this sentence shows the negative meaning. So if I look here, next example, he has a pen and he has no pen. This also shows a positive meaning and this also shows a negative meaning. But all 4 sentences is expressing, asserting and stating something. Now, for your kind information, that you all know that just like a sentence has 4 parts, in the similar manner, assertive sentence has also 2 parts. First of all, you see here, the first part is that affirmative sentence, and the next is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence it gives a positive meaning, and the negative sentence it gives a negative meaning. If I say here, I can play cricket, it gives a positive meaning. Whereas if I say that I cannot play cricket, it shows that it gives a negative meaning. So negative sentence, the sentence which gives a negative meaning is called a negative sentence. Thank you so much. That's it. Learn about sentence, kinds of sentence, and kinds of sentence we have known about assertive sentence, affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Now we'll go through imperative sentence. As you all know that a sentence which expresses request, advice and order. A sentence which expresses request, advice and order is called an imperative sentence. Just like if you see an example, if I take an example, please help me. Please help me. The sentence shows that it is expressing request. We are requesting, if we want to request something, then you will use please help me, and this sentence which ends with a full stop and gives a request sense. So the sentence which gives a request or provides meaning about request, advice or order is called a imperative sentence. Next example is read twice and write thrice. This sentence terms and it gives that it says that it is an advice. Someone is giving to a person to read twice and write thrice. It is an advice. The third example that shows that go there. It is giving an order to somebody. Go there, come here. This is an order. So order, advice, request are included in imperative sentence. These all thoughts, these all things are expressed through imperative sentences. Hope you enjoyed this term. Now we come next section, that is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, the sentence which asks questions. The sentence which asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Just like what is your name? This sentence is asking questions to somebody. What is your name? What do you do? Where does you play? These are all sentences. How are you? Am I smart? These are all sentences is expressing question. So this sentence shows that it is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence has WH words. There are 9 WH words, and apart from that, we can use helping verbs to make questions, as I have given here. Now you have understood about imperative sentences, interrogative sentences. Now we learn about exclamatory sentence. So I was rubbing it, and you will see that what is an exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses happiness, anger, surprise, etc. Example, if I look over here at exclamatory sentence, a sentence which expresses happiness, anger, surprise, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. When sentence shows that it is showing happiness, it is also exclamatory sentences. Suppose that if I take an example that what a lovely flower it is, sign of exclamation. You should also remember that whenever sentence exclamatory sentence ends, it ends with an exclamatory mark. This is called exclamatory mark. If I say what a lovely flower it is showing that you are admiring something, you are praising something, and you are expressing it in this way. What a lovely flower it is. What a shot. What a shot. Suppose that any cricket player is hitting a ball and it's a good shot, and we automatically say that what a shot. So you are just stunned with that shot. That's why you are using what a shot. Hope you all have enjoyed this chapter thoroughly. Thank you so much.